Harina de maíz con camarón en salsa. This is cornmeal, Puerto Rican style, sweet and nice, with shrimp. That Puerto Rican touch, couple avocados too, and this is going to be delicious. Let's create. So you don't want to do harina de maíz first. You don't want the cornmeal first. You want to cook the shrimp Puerto Rican style, going old school. Let me put some salt. And I'm using a cast iron. You don't have to. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create some sort of sofrito. Okay? So I have here some red sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, and onions. You have the ají dulce, which is the Puerto Rican style, or the Puerto Rican native peppers. Use those ones. If not, you can go with bell peppers, okay? Let me use some oil. About a tablespoon. You can put the oil first, by the way. And I'm going to caramelize this baby. But I'm going to put some culantro and cilantro. Puerto Rican style. If you don't have culantro, which is the wider leaf type, go cilantro, okay? And caramelize this for about 2-3 minutes, okay? So I'm going to add some garlic. I have about maybe 4 or 5 teeth because I love garlic. Crunch and chop. Garlic burns fast, so you have to move this and do this for about 45 seconds, maybe a minute. Grated tomato, small tomato. Old school. Then I have a mix of adobo sazon, homemade. What I have here is a black pepper, a little bit, about a teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon of turmeric. I have a little bit of annatto powder, about a teaspoon. And I have some smoked paprika. I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to add the shrimp. Peel and raw. I'm going to mix everything, okay? And I'm going to put a little bit of water, okay? So I added the shrimp, mix it out with the stuff, and I added some water. Look at this color, see? And I'm going to let this baby cook. It's not going to take long, okay? But as I do that, I have some capers, optional. I'm going to add them too. For half a tablespoon. Let me reduce the heat to a couple notches above medium. And I'm going to let this baby cook, okay? So I have 1/3 of a cup of yellow cornmeal, because I'm cooking just for me. You can put more. Make sure you follow the same ratio, okay? I have 2 cups of milk. I'm going coconut milk to stay island. Get a cinnamon stick and a couple of stars, anise star, little bit of white sugar, and have some vanilla extra. You're going to need a pinch. So the first thing, I have this a couple notches above medium for now. I'm going to add the milk, okay? I'm going to move it. Got this thick. And I'm going to add the anise, the sugar. For taste, I put about maybe a teaspoon or two. Then I'm going to put a cap of the extract. And you're going to cook this like we cook it in Puerto Rico, la harina amarilla, like for breakfast. And I'm going to let this heat up for a tiny bit, okay, about a minute. I reduce the heat to medium because I don't want this boiling. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding the cornmeal slowly as I move it around, okay? Stir and add slowly. Because you don't want this to get chunky, you don't want it to get bubbly. Just do it slowly, okay? See? And then you're going to move this and you're going to be on top of it, okay? You want everything mixed well. And you're going to be on top of this. You're not going to leave it alone, okay? Mix it, mix it, mix it. About 5 minutes in, this is how it looks for breakfast. See? But I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. 10-minute mark. You see? So that's good enough for me. Turn the heat off and transfer to a plate, okay? Now I'm going to add the shrimp, okay? Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.